Inside SARA, why you can't fake purpose-built agentic AI. Building SARA wasn't about training another model. It was about doing what off-the-shelf AI could never do. We started with a question. What if AI could see, understand, and act reliably every time? Generic models were trained on data from the internet, not on real security data. They guess, they hallucinate, they have video from the wrong angles. In this industry, guessing gets people hurt and can cost companies millions of dollars. So we didn't adapt to someone else's work. We built everything ourselves, from the data to the architecture to the intelligence that drives it. We built our own dataset engine called AutoVQA, generating, labeling, and validating tens of thousands of clips until the system understood what real threats look like. Then we created Iris, SARA's visual foundation, designed to interpret context instead of just recognizing shapes. On top of that, we built Mind, her multi-agent network for reasoning, decision-making, and memory. Each agent validates the others, ensuring accuracy that general AI simply can't achieve. Every frame SARA analyzes goes back into a feedback loop and reinforced learning. And after all that, we optimized SARA to run on less than 2 gigabytes of GPU memory, so SARA can think anywhere. Nearly 800 million people use ChatGPT every week. Over 20 million people pay for access to an artificial intelligence platform that answers questions, writes text, and does much more. Now imagine, what will organizations invest in for artificial intelligence that protects their people, property, operations, and profits? That's the scale we're building for. That's why we built SARA from the ground up. Of course, we did have some help, and we're thrilled to have partnered very closely with AWS in all SARA development elements. SARA now operates across our devices, detecting, verifying, and responding in real time. SARA's reduced false alarms, accelerated response times, and earned 2 top honors at the 2025 SIA New Products and Solutions Showcase. This is not theory. This is real life today. This wasn't easy, and it wasn't fast, and it wasn't outsourced. It was partnered with AWS, but the bulk of the design and work was done and architected by RAD. We built SARA from the ground up because real innovation can't be borrowed. That's why SARA stands alone and why no one should be catching up to her anytime soon.